Assalamualaikum student. So we start now exercise 3.7. In 3.7 exercise, this is related to the area under the curve. Area under the curve means that it is very easy to find the area of regular shapes, triangle, trapezium, sphere, rectangle, sphere, etc. But if we have any kind of curve, so it is difficult to find the area even specific points, between specific points. So to find this area, we have this integral, definite integration, which you have studied. We use to find the area of this curve from point A to B, not the whole curve, from a specific point, from 2 points, between 2 points. So that is the purpose to use this integration here. This is the practical application of this integration, and it is called area under the curve. Question number 1, we start. Find the area between the x-axis and the curve y is equal to x square plus 1 from 1 to x is equal to 2. The first thing we check that whether this value is positive in this interval or not, from 1 to 2. This is the interval from 1 to 2. When we put 1 here, it is positive. When we put 2, it is again positive. If we put in between the values from 1 to 2, that remains y is positive. So as y is positive, in the interval this is the interval from 1 to 2. So therefore area is equal to y dx from 1 to 2 and x square plus 1 dx, or x cube by 3 plus x from 1 to 2, or we put the values here, 8 by 3, first of all upper limit, minus sign, lower limit, 1 by 3, plus sign, 2 minus 1, first of all upper limit, then minus lower limit. So we have here 7 by 3 plus 1, 10 by 3. So this is the area of the curve from 1 to 2. This is the curve x square plus 1. The area of this curve from 1 to 2 is 10 by 3. Since we are saying that area, so area always we write square unit. So this is the way how to find the area of the curve in the specific interval. I try to solve question number 5. Y is equal to 4x minus x square. It is given that find the area between the x-axis and the curve. Interval is not given, but in the question it is saying that find the area between x-axis and the curve. When we is saying x-axis, so it means at x-axis y is always 0. So 4x minus x square is equal to 0, or x is common, 4 minus x square is equal to 0. This implies that x is equal to 0 and 4 minus x square is equal to 0, or x is equal to plus minus 2. Therefore, we have the interval -2 to +2. This interval we have because 0 is already included in this interval. So we have the interval -2 to +2. From where we are getting? Because in the question he is saying that find the area between x-axis and the curve. So at x-axis y is always 0. So putting 0 here and get the value here. Now as a rough, we have interval this one. When we put here -2, so what is the answer here? It is negative. When we put -1, again negative. So when we put 0, so it becomes 0. So it means y is less than or equal to 0 in the interval -2 to 0. As y is greater or equal to 0 in the interval 0 to 2. When we put 0 on what value? So this becomes positive value. This is very important to check in the interval, whatever the interval is. We have to check different values in the given curve, that where the value is negative and where it is positive. Therefore, area, there are two intervals for two different. So for this we have -2 to 0 plus, and this one is 0 to 2. But keep in mind, when we are saying that y is less than or equal to 0, when y is less than 0, negative, so we have to take here minus just to make it positive, because area is positive, so we are considering above the x-axis value. So here -2 to 0, 4x minus x square dx plus 0 to 2, 4x minus x square dx. So minus integral of this value 4x square by 2 minus x cube by, so -2 to 0 plus again the same now when we put here values, so minus, when we put 0 here, so 0 becomes 0, 0, minus sign, minus, so 2, this 2, -2 whole square minus -2 cube divided by 3. I have written in detail this one. So plus for 2 2 into 2 square minus 2 cube by 3, this is for 2, minus, when we put 0 here, 0, again first of all 0, so x is here, so complete is 0. Now minus lower limit we will put here and here also, so 2 into -2 square minus sign -2 cube divided by 3 plus sign 2 and 2 square minus 2 cube divided by 3, and when we put 0, so it is 0. So this minus and minus plus, so we have 2 into 4, 8 minus 8 by 3 plus again 8 minus 8 by 3. So here it is 16 by 3 plus 16 by 3 is equal to 32 by 3 square unit. So keep in mind, once again I tell you here, if it is negative, y is negative in the interval, so we have to take minus sign with that. When it is positive, so positive as it is we take. So rest is the same, definite integration, integrate the value and put upper limit minus lower limit. Okay, now in the next I try to solve part 11, question number 11. Y is equal to cos 1 by 2 x from x is equal to minus pi to pi. You may check here whether you put y is equal to minus pi, so cos 1 by 2 minus pi. So when cos minus theta, it means cos plus theta. So it remains positive. As y positive in the interval minus pi less than or equal to x less than or equal to pi. So area is equal to from minus pi to pi y dx, or from minus pi to pi cos 1 by 2x dx. What is the integral of this one? Sine 1 over 2x divided by 1 by 2 minus pi to pi, or here 2 into sine 1 over 2 x from minus pi to pi. Now put the values 2 sine 1 over 2 into pi minus 2 sine 1 by 2 minus pi. So it is 2 sine pi by 2 minus, and this minus plus 2 sine pi by 2. So 2 into 1 plus 2 into 1. So 2 plus 2, that is 4 square unit. So this is a way how to get the area between x-axis and the curve. So try to solve this exercise 3.7. Thank you very much.